In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the Zephyr spinning reel and rod combo that I have here from the company KastKing. Let me just go over the rod itself first. So I've got my rod in right here, and this container was very nicely packaged, pretty much indestructible. And there was one little hidden thing that I actually did not know they had. Check that out. You get an extra tip. So how many times have you broke your ends right here? This is a two-piece rod, by the way. You just pull that out, put a new one in. So if you do end up breaking this tip, they've got you covered. This right here, and this is called the Zephyr. It's the IM6 graphite blank, 2 and 1 twin tips. That is very handy. I can't go on enough about that. Has Fuji line guides on there. So there's the Fuji line guides, very nicely put together on that. Drop shot hook keeper, that's what that thing is right there. So but I actually have the bait capsules by KastKing, handy item right here. I like those things. And I have this loaded up with a Texas rig Cinco in there. But let me go over the size that I got in my rod right here. It's a 6 foot 8 inch medium fast, 8 to 14 pounds, and a 1/4 inch to 5/8. And I've got it comboed up with the Zephyr spinning reel. So this is the Zephyr 3000 spinning reel, and I've got it loaded with the KastKing, monofilament line, which is pretty good line on that too. Let me show you what you get with this. So inside of here, you got, some stickers, and I think that's, yeah, they give you an idea. You can have braid up to 20 pounds on there. You get some call outs if you ever need to, replace anything. The bearings on mine is a 7-in-1 bearings, and that's kind of like the gear ratio on there. And this right here is just some care and kind of showing how to fish. But you know what? If you made it this far, I hope you know how to fish. Drag adjustment right up here. This can go left or right, reverse and lockout. So very nice looking combo setup right here. I also have a bait caster Zephyr setup that I did a video on if you want to go check that out. But let me go ahead. Let's put this thing to the test and see what it does out here on the water. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and let's put this Zephyr combo and see how it kind of works out here. Now, I've had some success here. It's been mediocre at best. It is still a little cold out, so who knows? That's why I'm running more of a Texas rig, get a little deeper. Wow, the retrieval on this feels nice. Nice retrieval on there. Look at that. You just barely go. How's my drag? Loosen the drag just a little bit. I'm running a 1/4 ounce weight on there. Oh, right there. I'm running a 1/4 ounce weight on here. Everybody, I don't see any issues with this Zephyr combo. I might not be catching anything today, but I'm talking a lot and filming. So maybe if I'll shut my trap, I might end up catching something out here. I think this is a great option for anyone that just wants to get an affordable combo that's very light and kind of gets the job done. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the Zephyr, spinning rod and reel combo. See you on the next video.